Hi friends, I am Coderboy. In the last videos, we learned many Python basics. Today, we will bring those ideas together and build a real program. Our project is called A Greeting Story. This program will do three things. First, it will ask the user some questions. Second, it will use the if, as if, and else to choose a message. Third, it will print a friendly story. Let's get started. First, we need to ask three questions. We will ask the user their name, their age, and their favorite color. Clear the code and type name equals input. Type what is your name inside quotes and bracket. This line asks for the name and stores the answer inside the variable called name. Now let's ask for the age. Type age equals integer. Type how old are you inside the quote and bracket, and then close the bracket again. This line asks for the age. Remember, input always gives us a string, so we use integer to turn the answer into a number. Now let's ask for favorite color. Type color equals input. Type what is your favorite color inside the quotes and bracket and close the bracket. Great. Now let's make the program think. We will use if, as if, and else to choose a message based on the age. Type if age is less than 7, then print you are still very young. Now add else if age is less than 10, and print you are a young coder. And then finally add else, and on the intended line print you are growing fast. Nice. Python will check these conditions from top to bottom. It will run the first condition, that is true. That means only one message will be printed. Now let's finish our greeting story. We will print a friendly hello using the name. Type print, open bracket, quote, hello, close the quote, plus name, which is our variable, plus exclamation mark in quotes, that is completely optional, and then close bracket. Now let's print the favorite color. Type print, open bracket, quote, your favorite color is, close the quote, plus color, that is the variable, and close the bracket. Now it is time to run our program. Click run. When Python asks for the name, type Sam. When Python asks for the age, type 9. And when Python asks for the favorite color, we will type blue. Now Python prints the story. You are a young coder. Hello Sam, your favorite color is blue. Great job. Look at all the Python tools we have used today. We used input to ask questions, variables to remember answers, integer to turn age into a number, if, else if, and else to make a decision, and print to show the story. That is a real program. It asks, it thinks, and it gives an answer. Big apps work the same way too. They take information, make decisions, and show results. So today you built your first creative Python project, a greeting story. Try changing the name, age, and color to make different stories. You can also share your program with your friends and let them try it too. In the next video, we will build another fun project. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.